This is going to be how to change and fix a universal toilet flapper in my toilet. It's all screwed up. It's not working right. So I got to take the old one out and put the new one in. And we're going to show you how to do that. All right, first of all, we got to take it out of the thing here. Rip it open. It's got this thing here. You're going to need that. And it's just going to settle in there like that. And this is going to hook into your, your handle thing on the inside. I'm going to show you that in a minute. All right, so let's open her up. All right, there we go. Not looking so clean in there, is it? All right, so get a little bit closer here so you can see it. That's what we're going to be taking out. All right, so it's just kind of hooked on these two little spots here. I'm just going to pull it off. Around it goes. Take this off of here. All right, so now we got it off, right? And we're going to save that just in case this other one doesn't work right. So we'll put it right in there. I think this one's going to work okay. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and put it on here, right on the edge. Then I'm going to come down on the inside here, and there's these little things. You got to push it right on there. One there. One on this side. And you should just, bam, that's it. That's how you do it. And now, it should be filling up with water. And then we're going to test it to make sure it works good. So it's a pretty simple system. This chain right here, when you pull up on the lever, it's supposed to lift that up far enough so it pops up and floats. And then the water flows down through here, and that's what makes your toilet flush. But sometimes in the best laid plans of mice and men, that doesn't happen. But we're going to find out here in a second. We may have to fix that right there. Oh, you can hear it. It's almost full. All right, there we go. Now we want it to work so that we just do one twist and it pops up. So see, that's not doing it. So I've got to shorten this a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off. And I think we're going to put it back farther here. Let's see if that'll help. I've got to shorten it a little bit. So if we put it there, it should work. There we go. Floats up, and then it comes down. So this is loose here. That action's a little bit loose on here. I wonder if I can twist it a little tighter. So the thing it becomes is that that should work. Alright, so if you have to shorten it, which I think we might have to do, what you got to do is you got to pull this off of here. It just slides off. It's a simple squeeze there. And then this will come up here, and you can slide it off one of the rungs. Then you can get a little bit deeper in it and pull it up to do it. I'm going to put it about 3 lengths down. So I'm just going to push it in there and slide it down. So you see we've got extra lengths. Got a couple extra lengths. Now I'm going to put it back in that same position. It should be a little bit tighter. You don't want it so tight that it won't close. So it's got a little bit of play in it. There we go. So now, when it fills up, it should just pop right out. But we have to wait and see. And we're going to come here, and we're going to see, I should be able to push it down one time, and it should pop up enough so that it floats and doesn't immediately close off the water flow. That's it. I think we fixed it. All right, way to go. Of course, it looks like I need to clean off the inside of that thing. All right, if you like this video, we got a bunch of them on toilets. I got one on how to put one of these bidets on your toilet and how to remove all the guts and fix that. Check it out and subscribe to my videos. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.